I wore this loud ass shirt because I was talking about Rolling Loud, aka Rolling Feds. I'm gonna call it Rolling Feds now because at least 5 to 6 rappers got arrested at Rolling Loud. Some are facing some time and some long time. Looks like they're not getting out no time soon, like Kodak Black. Lil Wayne refused to perform at Rolling Loud because they wanted to check and see if he had weapons. Rolling Loud is fairly new. Um, it's a bad idea. It's a good idea and a bad idea all bunched into one. And I'm gonna tell you why. Good idea. It exposes. You get a lot of revenue because hip hop's popular and a lot of people want to go see a lot of their artists all at once perform, and um, it's just a good time to have to see all your artists perform. So that was a good idea to give a festival for rappers. Rappers never had a festival really. In the '90s, there was no rap festivals like Rolling Loud. You know what I mean? Like, it was really rough. You know what I'm saying? There was no festivals to just get extra money. So, I mean, if they had a Rolling Loud in the '90s, that shit would have been undeniably classic. Okay? It would have been the most classic shit ever if they had Rolling Loud in the '90s. It would have been the most classic shit ever because the music was better, the quality was better, the rappers was better, everything was fucking better. It would have been a fucking classic. The problem now is, okay, you want to start Rolling Loud, and these rappers ain't really rappers, man. Like, this is what, like I was saying before, man. Like, this is a whole nother era, man. This is like these kids be having talent, display their talent, fuck up their talent, all in 2 months. There's this rapper from Cleveland, Q Money. Ain't pretty dope. I listened to a couple of songs, you know what I mean? Like, he had some dope shit from Cleveland. He had some dope ass fucking songs. Where is he at? Sitting in jail looking at murder charges. Kodak Black. Okay. I mean, he got a little talent, man. The Expeditiously song be knocking. That's one of my favorite songs by that nigga. He went in, boy. But it ain't looking good for him because, getting arrested, man, over firearms and stuff, you know what I mean? All types of stuff. So he's getting arrested. And of course, y'all know about the NBA YoungBoy and T Grizzly. Apparently, it was over a rap verse, over you owe me money for a rap verse. Like, both of y'all got a boatload of money, and y'all tripping over a petty couple of thousands of dollars to have enough to have a shootout in the parking lot at the Trump Motel. Key Glock gets arrested. I don't really listen to Key Glock that much, you know what I mean? I just don't like him. I don't like him as a rapper. I never met him as a person. I just don't like him as a rapper. He get arrested. You got these niggas is crazy. Like, you got rappers that's doing some outlandish shit. You got the baby. The baby, he's one of the hottest rappers right now. This fool gets on stage and throws out 3 pounds of spice out to the crowd. Motherfuckers is happy. Yeah, I came up on some Bud the Baby. He came through, he always talking about rapping and selling dope. He came through with a pound for a nigga. Nigga come home and see nothing but parsley and motherfucking tree bark in the bag. These are the type of niggas that you dealing with nowadays. These are the type of niggas that you dealing with. And the thing with now than before is, back in the days when rappers had rap beef, they really just kept it on wax. Most of the rappers seen each other like every day, every other day. Even though they made a diss song, they seen each other, nothing happened. Nowadays, with these sensitive rappers, when they see each other, you make a diss, you want to fight, you want to shoot, you want to do all this extra stuff to prove to the internet that you're not a punk. That's why Rolling Loud was a bad idea, because you got too many sensitive rappers that try to prove a point that they're not a punk. And when I see him, he slid some dick, I need to fight him because I'm a street nigga and I'm a real nigga. You're a stupid nigga. You're not about no money. Y'all say y'all about money, but you're not really about no money. How could you just mess up a event? How could you just mess up a perfect opportunity like Rolling Loud doing dumb stuff like this? And then on top of that, it's heavenly police, man. Hip hop police all over the place searching rappers. Like, name another festival that searches the artist. When have you heard of a rock and roll? Like, Woodstock. It was the biggest rock and roll shit you can ever see in your entire life. Woodstock. You can't name one rock and roll artist that been arrested. You can't name one. And I'm pretty sure they had everything back there. Because rock stars like to party. You can't name one rock star that got arrested. Hip hop police are all up on people. You got a knife in your pocket, you about to perform. Oh, you got a knife, he's getting arrested, he can't perform. So, I don't know, I'm start calling that shit rolling feds. Y'all niggas need to stay away from that bullshit.